Okay, so we're out here with my recording using my old phone so that we can show the control program for Rover. Um, so we have 2 hertz communication right now between the Bluetooth LE in Python on the phone and Rover down there below. Should be able to do something like 30 hertz, I've read, but had a little trouble with that, so just kicked it back so that we could get this functioning. But this is this is an app written in Pythonista. Um, and we have Rover control. This is Rover 4-wheel drive. We tilt to steer. Oh! Well, it's impressive. I hope we didn't break an encoder. Let's back Rover up. May have broken an encoder. Okay, well, we have resolved the encoder issues. We had both the front left and right rear encoders disconnect on us. So certainly this terrible wiring job I've done is going to have to be improved for if you have any semblance of reliability, but let's see what this little thing can do. So we drive it thusly, we can steer. Oh, same problem occurred. Same problem as last time. Goodness. Okay, we're back on trying to drive Rover. We keep getting those encoders disconnecting, so going to need to lengthen and better secure those wires. There's a plan to hold the VESCs better, the motor controllers, in the future, but finally got it driving. We want to see what it's going to do.